Hi, in this physics lesson we're going to take a look at a sample problem that deals with the concept of speed versus velocity and distance versus displacement. So let's take a look at this sample problem. Emily walks her dog Ella 3 blocks north to Brett's house, then 4 blocks east to Gabby's. If the trip takes her 15 minutes, what is her velocity, keyword here is velocity, in blocks per minute? So as we looked at in our last video, when we're talking about velocity, velocity is measured in displacement divided by time. I'm going to put that equation over here off to the side. It's displacement divided by time. So the key here is that even though we're given the distance that Emily walks her dog Ella 3 blocks north and 4 blocks east, so if we were to draw that out, she goes north for 3 blocks to Brett's house, and then she goes 4 blocks east to Gabby's house. So here, this will be Emily's, Brett's, and Gabby's. The distance Emily traveled was a total of 7 blocks, but for a velocity question, we have to calculate it in terms of displacement divided by time. And her displacement from her original position is going to be calculated by finding the hypotenuse of this right triangle. Now hopefully if we remember some of our Pythagorean triplets, then it's going to make this problem a little bit easier, because in this case we have a triangle that's a right triangle with one leg of 3 and another leg of 4. So what would be the hypotenuse of that right triangle? If you said 5, you're correct. The Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5 is a common type of right triangle, and it's a good one to memorize just to make some of those calculations a little bit easier. So now that we know the displacement is 5, we can plug that in and we can calculate her velocity in blocks per minute. And in this case, if we look at that equation, we plug in a displacement of 5 blocks divided by a time of 15 minutes. 5 over 15 is the velocity, and in this case that can be reduced. 5 goes into 15 3 times, so it's 1/3 of a block per minute for the trip. If you have further questions, please feel free to watch our other videos, or you can visit our website at www.sandersontestprep.com. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.